Everyone, welcome to Stardust Gold Crochet. Tasha here. Today's stitch we're going to do is called the pineapple stitch, and it's a puff stitch, and I love this cotton in warm blush, and the link for this yarn is down in the description. So here I've already created about 12 stitches of single crochet and 2 half double crochet stitches. So go ahead and pause the video and come back when you reach this area right here. Welcome back. So to do a pineapple stitch, you start off by skipping one stitch and then yarning over, inserting your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3, and that's a half double crochet. So we're going to work 1 half double crochet, and then we're going to actually work around the half double crochet to create the pineapple stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the space you created when you did your skip stitch, yarn over and grab it, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook again, pull up a loop, and repeat that for 3, 4, 5, 6, however many times you want. You can make these puffs as big as you want. Then you yarn over and pull through all of your loops. And there you have your first pineapple puff. And then what I normally do is do a single crochet into the next stitch, but depending on your pattern, it's up to you. So let's do one more. We're going to skip it, and then we're going to yarn over, do a half double crochet into the next, and then you're going to yarn over and work into that space, pull up a loop, insert, grab your yarn, pull up a loop. And as you can see, I'm kind of holding onto these with my thumb like that so they don't slip back down on the hook. And pull through all of them, and then go ahead and single crochet in the next stitch. And we'll do one more. Let's skip one, half double crochet in the next, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, and repeat 3 or 4 times, I'm guessing. For my Sequoia Ridge Slouch Hat, I did it, I think, 4 times. I think 4 is a magic number for me. But I've seen these hats floating around with this stitch this year. It's really exciting. Single crochet into the next. Alright, so there you have 3 of your pineapple puff stitches. And you can see how they kind of have these horizontal bars instead of a traditional puff stitch that has the vertical bars, which is super cool. And like I said, you can make them really big, and when you turn it over, it has a cool puff. And actually, the puff seems to be more on what they would consider the wrong side of the work, or the right side, but you can decide which side you like as the wrong or right side. You can also push them. Alright guys, check out the links below for my Sequoia Ridge Slouch Hat and the link for this beautiful yarn. And I hope you guys have a great day. Happy crocheting. Oh yes, and any comments, questions, leave them below. If you want me to make a video for you on a stitch, I'm happy to do that. Just leave me a comment below. Anything you want to talk about crochet, leave it below. I want to talk to you guys. Take care.